Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine we fixed, and we did a tune-up, and we also got the rust, tried to get the rust out of here as best we could. There's also a hole here that I covered, and then I put epoxy over all of it to help prevent it from rusting further. Of course, rust always finds a way, but you can see I put some pennies here and epoxied them in over the hole and bent them so that they would match the curvature of the machine some. Let's pull a shot. So you get a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. Better shot here. Light was not good on that one. I see. Pull another one. Yeah, really nice crema. So check the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.